Mastering the menu, confirming your order with confidence. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into the world of food and dining, specifically the key vocabulary and phrases for ordering food. One essential part of this process is confirming your order. It's important to make sure that both you and the server understand exactly what you're asking for to avoid any unexpected dishes arriving at your table. Why do we confirm our orders? It's simple. Really, confirming your order means repeating back or summarizing what you've asked for to make sure you and the server are on the same page. This can prevent misunderstandings and make sure your dining experience goes smoothly. It's especially important if you have any dietary restrictions, allergies, or specific requests. So, let's learn how to do it. When confirming your order, it's usually polite to start with a courteous introduction. Here are some phrases you might use. Just to confirm, I've ordered. Could you please confirm my order? I just want to make sure I've ordered. Then, list the items you've ordered. If you have any special requests, now's the time to mention them. For example, the vegetarian pizza, without olives. The chicken salad, with the dressing on the side. Finally, end with a polite closing. For instance, is that correct? Does that sound right to you? Let's take a look at how this might work in an actual conversation with a waiter or waitress. Here are a few examples of how you might confirm your order. Example 1. Customer. Just to confirm, I've ordered the vegetarian lasagna and the house salad, with the dressing on the side. Is that correct? Example 2. Customer. Could you please confirm my order? I believe I asked for the grilled salmon and a glass of the house red wine. Example 3. Customer. I just want to make sure I've ordered the chicken burger, but with no mayonnaise, and a side of sweet potato fries. Does that sound right to you? Well done! You've now learned the essential phrases and vocabulary for confirming your order in English. Don't forget, practicing is the key to making these phrases a natural part of your vocabulary. So, why not give it a go the next time you're ordering food? I hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering English for food and dining. Happy ordering!